anyone who has experienced that annoying barrier of not being able to use any model you want, I think they would be very excited to work here because it's going to make a great difference for everyone. And when you work on something this exciting, you have the motivation to just get better and try harder.
I think that anyone who is curious basically and doesn't fear basically to get his or her hands dirty in order to get things working and doing some breakthroughs basically in machine learning and deep learning are probably the profiles that are welcome here and we need here.
I would say it's extremely well suited for people with a passion and a drive to learn all these different machine learning frameworks, and not just learn, to actually dive into the weeds of what goes in and out of these frameworks, what's happening under the scene. That's really something that we do here at Ivy, and if someone is really interested in learning the ins and outs of these frameworks, then this role is well suited for them as well.
If you're looking at an engineering role, then either you're the kind of person that is really good at learning about a new programming language, or like going really deep into how it works, or you've got a lot of experience in Python.
The role is very suited for someone who is very flexible, is proactive. You're encouraged to proactively looking for tasks to do, to explore new stuff, and yeah.